Peter Obi and other dignitaries, businessmen, politicians, and Igbo billionaires shut down Obi Cubana 50th birthday party. Okay, guys, Obi Cubana is having one of the biggest birthday party in Nigerian's history. Like, billionaires from all parts of the world, businessmen, politicians, all road leads to Abuja for Obi Cubana 50th birthday party. This is one of the biggest birthday party I've ever seen. Like, the whole road was filled with cars, super luxurious cars, as everybody turned out for Obi Cubana 50th birthday party. Peter Obi arrived as he was seen, welcomed in grand style. Peter Obi is someone that is always attending to things that has to do with the youth and also showing up for people. And Obi Cubana has really related with so much businessmen and business partners. Whenever he has any occasion he's doing, people turn up in grand style. The super party has just been going, a super luxurious one with the likes of Cubana Chief Priest, Jowizaza, Emoney, KC, Flavor, and a whole lot of Nigerian businessmen, politicians, and also dignitaries from all parts of the world. I'll be sharing with you full highlight of how the whole birthday party is going down. Drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
The great Zuora, one of our Asian kingdom. Please, the protocol, the bouncers, they have to assist us. This place will not leave people standing, will not leave people close to the place. Let's clear the eye. Let's clear the eye. Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency Dr. Chima Desmond Anyanso, the president of Omaba Connect, is in the building. You are welcome, sir.
Hey, stand up.
Dr. Onyeka Chukwu Kosperi of Batu, Obere Mwane Bagumban of Bodoko, Don Berry, I recognize your presence. Well, ladies and gentlemen, announcing the arrival of Chief Dr. Emeka Okonkwo, aka Emoney, CEO. Ladies and gentlemen, the man himself, the one and only Peter Obi, aka we know the dish shishi. You're welcome, sir. And ladies and gentlemen, I can sign my very good friend.
Chama, please. No, oh my God. This guy. They have gone to block Madam.
Reach the cherry wire.
We met at the reception. You have caused a war. Thank you so much, sir. You caused a war. I'm sorry. It's only you. But it's for good. Yes, only it's for good.
Camera is everywhere. Where do we talk? This is okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Madam Chairman. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Jerry, how you doing? Okay. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, where the people, where the paparazzi? We're gonna where everybody can hear. Jerry.
You need to security to allow you in. Talk to him to allow you. There's no space here. Talk to this guy to allow.
Check and say with my own phone so that I can then manage quick. Jerry, how you doing?
This thing is
Jerry, say the prosecutor of the body of Christ. I was joking. It's okay. Mr. Good.
All right, sorry, excuse me.
Hey.
Okay, let's have it. Come back, please. Come back.
Officer, your hand, please. Can I go closer?
Go, Chris.
Here. Officer, your hand. Okay. Can you call Chief Priest's attention? Trying to get